Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to restore deleted apps to home screen on your iPhone. So let's get started. Sometimes for some reasons by accidentally we might have deleted app from the home screen, and when you're trying to get it you don't find it. If that's the case, how we can fix it? So what you need to do is we have to just go to the swipe to the right like this, keep on swiping to the last. Now when you do this, you'll be taken to the app library. And right now you need to either search for the app that you wanted to bring it. So what you need to do is, for example, if I wanted to bring back the Flipkart, I just need to search here like this. Once I get into it, I just need to go over here, just press and hold like this. And what I need to do is bring over here. So this is the last one over here. And right now from here, once you place it over here, you can just tap on the home screen like this. So this is the app. Now you can also customize it. If you wanted to bring it move to the other page over here, you can just keep moving like this, and you can keep it anywhere that you wanted. Once the app starts jiggling, if you wanted to stop it, you just need to go over here, press like this, so it is stop it. Right now this is how we can get the Flipkart. So you can do the same step for any apps that is missing over here or removed from the home screen, and this is how we can do it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.